Opinion of the masses versus what your data states, which one would you make the decision based on? Well, it depends on if the opinion of masses is emotional or logical. Here's an example from Sweden. In 1955, the Swedish authorities proposed a memorandum to move Sweden from right-hand drive country to a left-hand drive country. That's because all the neighboring countries for Sweden were left-hand drive and the availability of vehicle in Sweden were more so of left-hand drive. That led to a lot of accidents because left-hand drive vehicles were playing on right-hand drive street. However, the opinion of masses opposed the memorandum, so the Swedish authorities could never make the memorandum a resolution. They dropped the idea. The accidents continued to increase, and in 1967 the authorities went against the opinion of masses, went by the data and the stats that they had, and made Sweden a left-hand drive country. And ever since, the accident rates have come down drastically. So the lesson here is, as subject matter experts, we have to sometimes make the decision based on the data that we have, more so when the opinion of masses is emotional and not logical. Please like and share.